Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the combo peaks stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now we're going to start the sequence for this row. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next chain, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Then make a single crochet into the last chain of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. For row 2, we're only going to be working in these previous chain spaces. We're going to be skipping over stitches until we reach the last one in this row. So we're going to be skipping this first stitch. Into this first chain space, make 2 double crochet. Then make a half double crochet. And a single crochet all into that first space. Now we're going to be moving over to this next chain space. Make a single crochet, chain 3. Then make that same thing, 2 doubles. One half double and 1 single. Then we'll start repeating from here. So it's going to be single, chain 3, 2 doubles, half double, and single all into this chain space. So we're going to move over to the next one, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, 1 half double, and then 1 single crochet all into that chain space together. And you can see how we're making those little peaks. Move over to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, one half double crochet, then 1 single crochet all into that chain space together. Move over to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. Move over to the last chain space of this row, make that single crochet, chain 3, 2 double, 1 half. So normally we would be doing that single, chain 3, 2 doubles, and then a half, and then another single. But when you get to the end of this row, instead of working this single into the chain space, you're going to work this last single into the last stitch of this row to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 6 chains. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we're going to be making these chain spaces. So you're going to skip to the next chain space. You're skipping all of these stitches. Into this next chain space, this chain 3 space right here, make a single crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Once you get to the end of this row, you're going to skip all of these stitches into the top of these last chains over here at the end of this row. Make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the combo peaks stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.